Hi guys, it's me Jess here and welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share with you how I make a tank dress. This dress is the combination between a tank top and a cotton skirt. It's a very easy and beginner-friendly DIY that you can finish just in a day. It's also a perfect casual summer outfit. That's why I hope you guys will like it and try it out. And let's get started.
To make this DIY, you will need a tank top that is quite fit to your body and make sure it's a stretchy one too. For the skirt part of the dress, you will need around 2 meters of cotton fabric in the similar color with the tank top you have, or you can do a mix-match color if you want. I started with the top part of the dress first. I wore the tank top on to measure the length of the top part of the dress that I want. It's the length from the shoulder to around 3 cm above my belly button. After that, I draw a horizontal line through the mark I just made and cutting by that line. And we will have the top part of the tank dress after that. Moving to the skirt part of the tank dress, here's the measurement of the skirt part. It's quite simple from 2 basic rectangles. The width of the rectangle is the width of my hip size. You can make it bigger if you want the skirt more perfect. The length of the rectangle is the length of the skirt that you want. I measured from 3 cm above my belly button to my ankle, plus 5 cm for seam allowance. I want to add the side pocket for the dress to make it more functional, so I make a seam pocket part. From the top of the pocket, I marked down 13 cm, which is the width of the open area of the pocket where I can put my hand in, then sew the rest together to create a dip for the pocket. At the end of the skirt, I draw a horizontal line at 9 cm above the ending line. At the top of the skirt, I make 2 loose seams first, then I create the gathering fabric there later. The final width of the gathering fabric will be my bust size plus 10 cm or more, so I can wear the dress on later. Now it's time to connect the top part and the skirt part of the dress together at the waist. To have the top and the skirt connect nicely together, I connect 2 sides of the skirt part to 2 sides of the top part first. Then I connect the middle of the skirt part to the middle of the top part. After that, I straighten the top part to be the same with the skirt part when sewing. Use a circle or a zigzag stitching to fin the edge of the fabric to get them on together. I cut a long elastic band with a half centimeter width and 64 centimeter length, which is 2 centimeters shorter than my waist size. This elastic band will make the waist fit to my waist better. I mark the position for the elastic band first, then I connect it to the waistline later. Doing this way will help the elastic band connect equally to the waistline. When sewing, use the zigzag stitching. And I finished this DIY. Here's my final result. This is such a simple project, but the result is just stunning. It's so comfy but still give you a girly vibe. Depending on the choice of the tank top you get, you can create a different vibe for the dress. I love this DIY so much that I make 2 more dresses in 2 different styles by using the same methods. Hope you guys like it and try it out soon. See you next week!